Raghuram sir on his superannuation.
It's students. Ready?
Professor, let me say, token of love and affection. So I request my teacher and my senior teacher, Professor G. Ranjit sir and his team, to felicitate our beloved teacher with shawl and with a bouquet.
It's student. Ready? It's student, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. The bouquet and the Renuka. This is color of madam. We felicitate with bouquet. Professor Raghuram sir. On this occasion, myself and my business scholars, we are also going to underlist it.
చూడండి
I request Sajaya to felicitate our beloved teacher with a bouquet. Now I request our non-teaching staff friends. All of them felicitate. With a bouquet and a memento.
రెడీ చూడండి చూడండి సార్ ఓకే
Request for Shekhar, Dr. Shekhar, Kavita Memorial Degree College, Khammam, Degree Medical Khammam. We felicitate our beloved teacher with a memento and shawl. Shekhar, Dr. Shekhar, come.
సార్ ఇటు చూడండి
Our colleague, my colleague, Dr. Istari and his team.
ఇటు చూడండి
Dr. Balakrishna, belongs to Ravindra Reddy sir's staff. Felicitate with a bouquet to our beloved teacher.
ఇటు చూడండి సార్
Any others? Rashid. Shivalingam.
ఇటు చూడండి
Mrs. Kala, Professor M. Swami. Sir, please felicitate with a bouquet to our beloved teacher. Our head and director of this seminar with a bouquet. Finally, yes. Previous students. Girls and boys. Previous. All of them are ready to felicitate our beloved teacher. Please come at the rest. Previous felicitate our beloved teacher with a bouquet.
ముందు రండి
ఐటమ్ నల్ బ్యాక్
రెడీ ఇటు చూడాలి సార్ ఇటు చూడండి ఓకే ఓకేనా అయిపోయింది
request Madam Sujata garu, Department of Agriculture. Please cover the consider our
ఇటు చూడండి. రెడీ.
Hnumakanda, Leela Madam. So our head, Professor M. Krishna Reddy sir's team going to felicitate our beloved teacher. A memento and working.
సార్ ఇటు చూడండి. రెడీ. ఓకే.
Please all of you take your seats. Please sit down.
రెడీ.
అంటే మా పక్కన మా గౌడు సన్మానం చేయడం మా ఇద్దరికి మేమే చేస్తాం.
ఓకే రెడీ.
డిసైడెడ్
సార్ ఇటు చూడండి.
నలుగురు 3 నెలలు వెంకటరత్నం ఇన్నోసెంట్ రెడ్డి
ఇవాళ 33 సంవత్సరాలు గడిచిన తర్వాత ఇంతమంది నా గురించి చెప్పడం, సరే ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడడం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడం అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాదు. ఇక్కడ స్పందన, నా మనసులో ఏమైనా మార్పు వచ్చిందా ఒక 2-3 గంటల ప్రోగ్రామ్ తర్వాత అంటే ఆల్వేస్ మెమరీస్. మై ఓన్ టీచర్ కమింగ్ ఆల్ ది వే, మ్యాన్ ఈజ్ 84 years accepting to come and bless me on this occasion. He said, if I am 80 years old, how can you say that you are old? 60 years. So that gave me a lot of energy and I am able to talk and look at you. The time that is given to me may be 15 minutes and I will try to reduce it by another 5 minutes. I will just complete it within 10 minutes only because I don't want to trouble the audience. Fundamental question is, what is the percentage of commitment I have put in during my job? Most of them are emphasizing that I have dedicated to the profession and able to succeed in this. It is because of the cooperation from the student side, cooperation from the administration, cooperation from my colleagues. Because they allowed me to teach whatever I am interested in. Basically, if somebody allots me a timetable and then asks me to teach computer applications or biostatistics, I will not be able to do it. So most of the departments considered that I am competent to teach certain subjects, therefore I could manage to teach it in a methodical manner. The second thing is, whenever the facilities are less, we try to put more effort. Because in 1980s, there were not many buses to travel, no cell phones, no TVs, no communication system by means of any kind of gadgets. Therefore, we used to simply get into the bus at RTC bus at Hnumakanda Chaurasta in 1980, reach the college within 15 minutes because there was a special arts and science college special at 7:45 and we used to reach the college by 8 o'clock. And at 1:30, 8 to 1:30 it was the shift time and again 1:30 we used to go back. That's how there was a disciplined life. We never left the college up to 1:30. We never came late. That is, before 8 we were always there because that's the only bus. And all of us used to sit, the students used to sit in front benches and the backside bench was left for the teachers. Whenever we were absent in that particular day, the students used to know at the bus stop itself, not coming into the institution. Students used to get an idea that our teacher is there right in the bus, therefore the classes will be there. Like that, life went on for nearly 6 years. 86, the story again changes. I requested my transfer to the campus. And Professor Yenchari was head of the department, who was here. almost he left a few minutes back. He said it's difficult to teach PG classes. I said I will be able to do it. Somehow I have to request the Vice Chancellor, the then Vice Chancellor Professor Vasudev, and went round to his house several times asking me to transfer to the campus. But he did not accept it. He transferred me to the pharmacy department, or at least zoology, but I was supposed to take pharmacy classes, biology for pharmacy students, NPC students. And I just worked for 1 or 2 years in pharmacy, taking pharmacy classes. Later on, my workload was adjusted in the campus, and I was fully trying to manage the zoology department. From that day onwards, in this time, because in the meantime also I went again for 3 and 4 years in between for a transfer, I felt homely, whether it was Arts and Science College, or whether it was university, or whether it was pharmacy college. Because pharmacy for colleagues also, I had very good rapport with them when I was teaching astrology or other subjects. Now the question of subject content is concerned. We design the subject content according to the need of the students and also according to the understanding capacity of the students. When we are speaking to a mathematics student, we have to orient in a different way. Because mathematics students don't have biology background and they want to have grasp in what is a lever. I have one way of putting the thing as a lever by dissecting the frog and showing them liver, because they have to do the impact of drugs, etc. screening in the pharmacy department. They must have a basic design of what an animal is. But if I come to zoology and show them the dissection of a digestive system or anything, they will consider this a very smallest one. Therefore, whenever you are trying to put a nervous system dissection in Arts and Science College, definitely we used to put more effort, because visual strain will be there whenever trying to trace some kind of nerves at all. So it's a question is interest in the profession always gives you satisfaction. When I am leaving today, after my 33 years of service, it's nothing but satisfaction. Whether I have a car or scooter or a bus, whether I have travelled in an RTC bus in 1980, I purchased my scooter in 86 and a car 2 years back. That doesn't give me a satisfaction. Satisfaction is a pleasure to do my job wholeheartedly, and it's not the salary. I got 1,000 rupees in 1980 and I was not able to manage with 1,000 rupees because I was paying almost 400 rupees as house rent. I was struggling because my father was a poor. He was very poor. He was not supporting me, and he asked my brother to take up responsibility of educating me, and that's how I got my basic education in Hyderabad, because of the support of my brother. So you cannot imagine that it is always a sophisticated environment that will give you the courage and conviction. When I was doing my schooling in primary schooling in Vardhanapet village, my teacher, even now I remember him, there were 2 teachers, John, Sri John I say politely, and Williams. They used to make me to write words that end up with T-I-O-N. Any word, nation, some kind of examples. That what makes you is drilling, making you to think at the level of 4th class or 5th class. That gave me a lot of input as far as English is concerned. And when I shifted to Alia, when my another teacher Samuel gave me foundation as far as English foundation is concerned, because I failed in all my 10 monthly examinations. When I joined in English medium in 8th class, I was always not able to get 35 marks in English, and he wrote in the record also, poor in English, and finally he was gracious enough to give me 36 marks because I got 35 throughout the year. 50% of the marks were added for the entire annual record, 50% for the annual examination. In the annual examinations he gave me 18 out of 50, and for the average, for the rest of the 50 I got 17 or 18. Somehow he managed to see that I got 36 and passed me from 8th class. But then from that day onwards, I was always thinking of improving my English, and now I feel that at least today I am able to talk in front of you with courage and conviction. It is because of the books and the energy that I got. I spent most of my energy reading some of the novels. I'll just give you one example, because I am the last speaker, because usually the person who is felicitated is asked to speak and there is a time paucity. The administrative